Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And from today there's going to be something different. We are going to start a new project, and that project is this. This is the Yamaha Rx 135. As from the title you already know what is coming, but still let me give you more of a background on whose bike is this and what we are going to do with it. But first, so this bike belongs to one of our subscriber, Amit Chavan. He works at Pune, he's a software engineer, and the bike was also in Pune. He contacted me on the mail and said I want to rebuild this engine, and there are 2-3 problems that he said that I want to get rid of. So if you also want any help in your project or want to get restoration and modification project get done from me, you can DM me on Instagram. My Instagram ID will be popping somewhere here. Or you can just mail me. I will leave my email ID in the description box. It's also there on my Instagram page. So just email me your requirements and we can go forward with it. So enough of the marketing now. In this video we'll start disassembling the bike and we'll unmount the engine. As we disassemble the bike, we'll explore the bike. As we explore the bike, we'll explore the problems. So the coming videos will be regarding some of those problems and mainly the engine rebuild. So if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing and stay tuned for that. Also press the bell icon so that you can get notified every time I upload a video. So now let's start with our restoration project. We'll start by removing the tank, the seat, the rear hand grab, the panels. So yeah, let's start.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What I'd like to do is, मैं जो बोल्ट निकाले है वो वहीं पे लगा देता हूँ, so that I don't need to remember which bolt goes where, and also I don't lose the bolts. Now to remove the seat, there is this one nut here and one from the other. This. निकाले वो वहाँ पे लगा देंगे नट और वॉशर. Now we'll remove the tank. To remove the tank there is only one nut here. But before removing the tank, don't forget to remove the fuel pipe and switch off the fuel cock. Okay, now we can remove the tank. To remove the side panel, there is usually a bolt down here, but this panel is broken, so ये ऐसे ही निकल आएगा. Same thing on this side. A simple trick to save this gap, what happens is if you place this spark plug like that only, ये कहीं पे भी लग जाएगा और ये जो गैप है वो कम हो सकता है. तो उसे बचाने के लिए इसे जस्ट ऐसा रख दो, सो दैट वो गैप इसके अंदर सेफ रहेगा और उसको री-गैप करना नहीं पड़ेगा. नाउ लेट्स रिमूव द फिल्टर बॉक्स एंड द कार्बोरेटर. टू रिमूव द फिल्टर बॉक्स there is one bolt here and the second bolt is way down under there. To get to that bolt you either remove this oil tank, or if you have a T, This is a 10 mm. You can reach that bolt from here. जब मैंने एयर बॉक्स को ओपन किया था तब इसमें जो फ़िल्टर था वो गलत तरीके से लगा हुआ था, तो उसकी वजह से देखिए हाउ मच ऑफ अ डर्ट हैज़ गॉन इनटू द कार्बोरेटर. So we definitely need to completely clean this carburetor. So now as we remove the air box, beneath this rubber cover you can see there is a lot of rust forming, and we need to take care of this rust right now only, because it will slowly eat away this member and it will significantly compromise the structural rigidity of this frame. So because of that, treat the rust then and there only, because आप जितना उसको लेट करते जाओगे उतना ही वो ज़्यादा नुकसान करते जाएगा. So what we'll do is we'll remove the paint, we'll sand away the rust, and then we'll repaint it so that it will save the member from further rusting. Alright, now to remove the carburetor, we need to remove this oil pipe. Okay, that's done. We need to remove the throttle cable and the choke cable. And before removing this, we need to remove the choke cable. Always remove the head bolts in star pattern. So we'll remove this one first. Now that one. This T is not fitting here properly, so I have to use this spark plug wrench. Now that one. Don't forget the washers.
Yeah.
With the small blade, remove the carbon buildup. You have to be very gentle. Don't scratch the piston top. Now we'll remove this. This is the boost bottle, the heart of EAC technology. EAC stands for Yamaha Energy Induction System. So this is basically an empty box which is connected to intake manifold. Now how this works and what is EAC technology, I think this is another subject for another video that we'll see in some coming videos. But for now, we'll remove this. To remove this, there is just one bolt here. We'll remove this boost bottle along with the intake manifold. Now we'll remove the exhaust. To remove the exhaust, there are two bolts here. One bolt here and one bolt here. Now to remove the silencer without removing the footrest and the brake pedal, हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसे थोड़ा बाहर निकाल के ट्विस्ट करके फिर पीछे निकाल के यहाँ से निकाल सकते हैं. So this oil seal is damaged here. This is the culprit of all this oil leak. So now these screws are not in good shape. आप देख सकते हो इसका हेड जो है वो थोड़ा ख़राब हो गया है और ये बहुत टाइट है, तो इसका हेड ख़राब होने की वजह से और ये बहुत टाइट होने की वजह से ये नहीं निकल रहे हैं सादे स्क्रू ड्राइवर से. तो अब इन्हें निकालने के लिए हम इस इम्पैक्ट स्क्रू ड्राइवर का यूज़ करेंगे. ये वाला जो स्क्रू है वो बहुत ख़राब है, इसका हेड पूरी तरह से डैमेज हो चुका है. लेट्स होप ये इससे भी निकल आए. before removing the engine, disconnect all the wires